In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step workflow on how to create these short gender swap videos. You will see each step from image generation to final editing in CapCut. To create these videos, you don't have to use the exact platforms I use. You can probably generate the images and videos with the tools you already have. You also don't need to write down the prompts I use. In the video description, you will find links to each prompt. They are listed on my website, and of course, they are free. I'll also include links to the platforms I use, just in case. Let's start with a short overview. To make the video, you have to create a character image first. Next, you create the same character image for the opposite gender. Then, repeat this with all the other characters. For this video, I will use 6 characters, meaning I'll need 12 images altogether. For each pair of images, you need a character transition video from one gender to another. In this case, from a male character to a female character. Optionally, but highly recommended, you also need a transition video between the different characters to make your video flow nicely. To keep this video from getting too long and boring, I will show you each step once, and all you have to do is repeat it as many times as you want. So, let's do it. To create a character image, first go to the AI Shot Studio website and copy one of the portrait pose prompts. I will go with this simple one. Go to the image generator you use and paste that prompt there. Delete the text in the square brackets and type the character you want to generate, usually a character name and the movie year. I suggest adding the year because, for example, if you write Rocky without adding the year, it usually generates the Rocky character, but with an aged Sylvester Stallone. You get the Rocky vibe, but with a much older character. If you try this on Google Flow, all images will be filtered out, and you will not get results. On other platforms, some images are filtered out, but usually, you get what you want, and credits for filtered out images aren't deducted. When your image is ready, use it as a reference to generate the gender swap image. For the gender swap prompt, go to the AI Shot Studio website and copy the first prompt on the page. Paste that prompt into your generator along with the reference image and hit Generate. And here is Tony Stark's image as a woman. Repeat this with all the characters you want to include. Here are my generated images for this project. I put them in the order I want to see them in my video. This helps better visualize the final result. Now, take both the original character and the new gender image. Use your character image as the first frame in the video generator and the new gender image as the end frame. Then head back to the AI Shot Studio website, copy the second prompt on the page, and paste it into the video generator along with the first and end frames. Since Kling 2.5 only offers a start frame image on this platform, I am going to use Kling 2.6. But usually, for these transitions, I suggest using Kling 2.5 Turbo or Kling 3.0. And here it is. Now repeat this with each pair of images. So now I have a gender swap video clip for each character. Technically, you can put all the clips together and create a video where, instead of transitions, there are simple cuts from one character to another. You could even add some basic CapCut transitions between the clips. But I want my video to be above average, so I'm going to add AI video transitions between the gender swap videos. For that, go to the AI Shot Studio website, navigate to the Viral Video Transitions page, and choose the transition you want to add. I'm going with the simple transition prompt. Now go back to the video generator and paste the prompt there. For this transition, we need to use our images again, but this time, the first frame will be the new gender image, and the end frame will be the next character's image, so it smoothly transfers from one character to another. And if you want to create a loop, which is highly recommended, you have to use the final new gender image and the very first character image to create a transition for them too. So here, I'm adding the Ghost Rider new gender image as the first frame and the Wolverine character image as the end frame. And click Generate. And here we have a smooth transition from one video clip to another. Repeat this for all the other transitions. Here are all my transition videos, and this last one is the transition for the loop effect. Now I can upload them to CapCut and finish the video editing. But I'm going the extra mile for quality. I take all the generated video clips and upscale them to 4K. That's totally optional, and I don't do this for all of my videos. I just want to show you all the steps required to get the highest quality result possible. When all the clips are upscaled, I replace the old ones with the new 4K clips. Currently, the total video length is 1 minute and 1 second, which is a bit too slow and long for the viewer to stick with. So, I increase the video speed. I change the single clip length from 5.1 seconds to 4 seconds, making the video faster paced and more engaging. The total length of the video drops from 61 seconds to 48 seconds. The next step is adding music. Depending on where you share it, you can use the platform's music. But keep in mind that if you monetize your video and use their music, a portion of your income goes to the music creators. This applies to real music, not AI-generated tracks. If you want to keep 100% of the monetization income, you can generate the music yourself. Or, for a quick and easy way, you can use one of the AI-generated soundtracks I use for my videos. You can download them for free from the AI Shot Studio website. The link to the downloads page will be in the video description. For my video, I'm going to use the song "The Camera Rolls." If possible, try to adjust the background music so it sounds good on a loop, making the transition more or less smooth. I'm also adding a text overlay to my video. I can't say I love it, but it somehow attracts attention and keeps the viewer watching to see what's next. Basically, that's it. Here is the whole video. That's all for today. Until the next one.